Hi guys, I'm going to tell you how you can get an NSFE waived. Yes, it can be done, and in this video I will tell you what to do. And if you're new to the channel and the information I give helps you or you agree with anything I have to say, please hit the like and subscribe button and turn on your notifications to receive the latest videos. An NSF stands for non-sufficient funds, and it is a fee that your bank charges you when you're trying to make a payment or deposit a check that exceeds the balance in your account. NSF fees can be very costly, ranging anywhere from $45 to $50 in Canada, and depending on what country you're in, fees will vary. This can damage your relationship with your bank and impact your credit score. It can be stressful, especially if you're already struggling with bills, and trust and believe I've been there. But there is a simple solution, and that is to call your bank. Just let the customer service rep know that you were charged an NSF fee and you would like it removed. Although every bank has their own policy, they do have a one-time exception to remove the NSF fee, or so they say. Maybe this is your second or third NSF fee for the year, and you think, well, I can't get it removed because they told me there's only a one-time policy. Not to worry, call the bank and ask the representative, just like you did the first time, for your NSF fee to be removed again. This is what I've done in the past and it worked. They will tell you that they cannot reverse your fee. You may have to call back the bank 3 or 4 times before you get a representative that's able to waive the fee for you. They're not obligated to do this, so remember to be respectful to the representative. If you're polite and have great communication skills, you'll be surprised how far some of these people that work at these companies are willing to go for you. The key is to be persistent. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for joining me, guys. Until next time, bye.